That's a great idea. How is this something you got somewhere? I know. It's really like night and I was like, all I say is that something more chilly tonight than it was last one. Fireworks at Block House. You want to come walk to me to the fireworks started on the Block House? Yeah, just the Block House. Take the first white path with a I should have checked with him to check the outfit. No. Since when do you not take it into account? Yeah. Why should I be responsible of not locking the fucking door or not? Sorry. Oh, that's just so sometimes you just have to do it. Yeah. I just hope that whatever the decision is, like it can just be like this, like amicable, so that we can still do stuff and stuff like that. Yeah. That's because to be fair, I obviously, you know, get from my notes too, but Ryan, that's kind of picking up the ass of it. He was really cold at the beginning. He was really violent, why? What's the point? Just stop. If you guys aren't supposed to be together, but let's not ruin something that has so many good. Yeah. Because that was the thing. So I was looking on Facebook the other day, and I was like, so if you guys get the drones, and then you know what people do? Oh, I know, I never. Oh no, I would never delete it.
Careful.
Oh yeah, 100%. But we both said that like we're just doing our own thing at the moment and just gonna see how it goes. But we both said that we're happy to live between Henry and Lee. Yeah. And he was like, oh, I'm not interested in any other girl. And I was like, that's fine. I was like, but if there did come a time and I still live in that flat, I just don't bring them back. I was like, that's my own rule. But after we've had that chat, it's been a lot better. But I did, I'm glad we've seen each other, and like, we'll have Saturday and stuff, because I was arrested. I just thought of what's from all of it. To the point I phoned my mum, I had another baby bad day, and maybe I'll just but I hadn't kept the thing. And I didn't even tell my mum. So I'm trying to say things now to that yeah. So like, it's I don't know. Yeah, we don't really know what. Well, yeah, exactly.
Oh, fabulous.
I like the lights and like the house. When Ryan and his friends took a photo and he was like this and it was the next. And I said to Jax last night, I said, look at that. That was really nice to me, Ryan. And I said, I'm chill. I said, all I had to do was just nothing and everything like would have been alright. And it was just like little things that he had. Like there was Michelle that he like followed on Instagram on his barber page. And I was just like, who the hell is it? Yeah. And then he was like, oh, it's a girl that Dan speaks to. And I was like, well, who's that? And I said, but I'm best friends, but Jess is my best friend. I was like, well, I do now, but I was like, I don't even follow her boyfriend. This is yours on Instagram. And the only thing I said to him, if it was, it can't put content in, if it was the other way around, and I was doing this stuff, you would go absolutely like if you see me and then go on the house and I'm sat like I'm going to oh look you guys in the middle of Jeff's head I would you would go no oh that's and then he came back to me the other day and he was like yeah, I spoke to one of our lights now and I was like well there you go I said I think you would have probably said that